I'll give you guys a hint. If you want to try and log in to my account right now, hack my password, figure out what my password is, and I'll tell you that the first number of the token, I'm going to tell you the first number of the token, and am I a psycho? It's 1. Too late, I already logged in. Feeling psycho today. Psycho killer, qu'est-ce que c'est? Psycho killer, qu'est-ce que c'est? Psycho, 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 tycho. Welcome to the stream. Hip to Be Square was a popular single in 1989. But most people don't realize that he was making a open source Pico project. Pico open source. Fork it. Egg fork. Pico fork. Egg fork the Pico fork. Ba-na-na-na. We're doing an edit stream tonight. Why? Because I hate having people continue to watch the show and interact with it. And I would rather become self-involved, do self-focused, menial tasks in front of you. But what is a video game if not a menial task done in front of an audience? If you just imagine productivity as also a video game, folks, you'll start really going places. This is a video game. This is a video game. I'm doing my taxes. The taxes video game. This is bad advice. Don't take this advice. Because then all of a sudden driving somewhere is a racing video game, and guess what? They really don't like when you do that. This new house that I have apparently has a condensation problem. If I run the AC too much, the ceiling starts sweating. I start getting dripped on at night. Do 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 do. How hot is it? It's like 80 degrees in the house. It's quite warm. Maybe if I put it just down to like 75, it won't drip on me. I'm gonna turn the AC down to just 75. I need a little bit. Just give me a little bit, you know? Just a little bit of solace in a world created by chaos. Let's go! Yeah! It's like buttons cam. You can see live me pressing the buttons. Zoom in on buttons cam. Close up on buttons cam, please. Wow. Look at him press those buttons. He's going nutty with it. He's lost his mind. He's all buttons now. Ty, Oh yeah, I used to know a guy named Ty. He's only buttons now. Now he's completely made of buttons. He got too lost in the sauce. Now all he is buttons. He had a sick button cam though. I miss my friend Ty. He used to be cool. Now he's made of buttons. We have to download the YouTube chinchilla first. Oh, it says it's gonna take 2 hours to download. There's no way it's actually gonna take 2 hours, right? What do you think? Buttons Ty?
That's not the right number. We gotta go find the Russian website that tells us the MIDI controls for the Roland. That's what I'm talking about right there. .ru, .ruski.
So 127 is in fact the highest number. Ruski Brewski, indeed. Another gin and tonic sip for Ty. It's still looking like it's gonna take about 2 hours to download this video. Is he good enough? He's a genius. Wait. Is he a genius? It's not working, but it's not working. I will watch the YouTube video, thank you. American Idol? What is this, on the DS?
Like a movie scene in the sweetest dream. I pictured us together, waiting for the
Night!
when you
Would be here in my arms, waiting for the night. Pretty good. In fact, I'll go so far as to say, that's a no from me, dog. Why did I look this guy up? Oh yeah, you sent me an American Idol video. It's your fault, Blaholton. You're the guy. You did this to me. Me is not responsible. You is responsible. You did this. Remember Bird Battle? Maybe we'll do more Bird Battle stuff in the future. Now that I'll have the birds at beck and call. It looks like that. It looks like that. Rotate. Zoop-dee-doop. V it. A it. Zoop it. Stroke it. Zoop it. Rotate it. Now you hate it. It's a Daft Punk song. Look, I'm an expert tracer. If you've ever thought that I was not capable of tracing, you're sadly mistaken. Ooh, Rendered Senseless is on. I hope they stay on so that I can send y'all to them next. That's a cool channel. They're using Touch.js in such a cooler way than me. I'm using it in the dumbest way possible. They're using it in the smartest, coolest way possible. 10 divided by 1 is 10.
Oh, no, I'm going inside the website. They're making me stick into the website. I have to stick inside of it. I live in this server now. Oh, no, I live here. Inside of viewers.shop. If you buy a viewer, you're buying me. I live in the shop.
I'm the guy. If you're buying a viewer at viewers.shop, it's me. I live inside the server. I'm the viewer. This is a Black Mirror episode, for real. Now I'm inside of my own Twitch channel content settings. Look, I'm processing now.
I love kissing myself. Here I come. Here comes the kiss train. Whoa. This stream should get scarier. As time goes on, the longer I stream, the more scared you should feel.
It's a network error. My download failed. I've been downloading for 2 hours. You're saying it failed?
Wow!